Pull up a cup and let's talk dirty. Dirty laundry, that is. You throw a load of dirty clothes in the washing machine, add detergent, hit start, and expect that your clothes are going to come out so fresh and so clean. Unfortunately, there are several common laundry mistakes that could actually be damaging your clothes, leaving them less than fresh and not at all clean. Here are the top 7 common laundry mistakes. We are probably all guilty of numbers 1, 6, and 7. Number 1 is overloading that washing machine. It's one of the most frequent mistakes people make. When your washer is packed too full, the clothes don't have enough room to move around, which means they probably aren't getting clean. Overloading can also put unnecessary strain on your machine, possibly leading to premature wear and tear. Number 2, might not sound right, but using too much detergent can actually leave your clothes less clean. Excess detergent can build up on your clothes, making them look dingy and stiff. Plus, it can leave residue in your washing machine, attracting dirt and grime. Number 3 is washing your clothes at the wrong temperature. That can cause them to shrink, fade, or become misshapen. Always check the care labels on your clothes to determine the appropriate water temperature. Hot water is best for heavily soiled items and white clothing, while cold water is ideal for delicates and darker clothing. Next up, failing to separate that laundry. That can lead to color bleeding and damage to your clothes. It's important to separate your clothes by color, fabric, and level of dirtiness. This can help ensure that your clothes are cleaned properly and remain in good condition. Next, this one sounds strange too. Fabric softener. While it can make your clothes feel softer and smell fresher, it's important to use it sparingly. Too much fabric softener can build up on your clothes, making them stiff, less absorbent, and more prone to stains. This one, we all do it, is leaving wet clothes in the washer or dryer. You wash a load, you go get the one thing you need, you forget about it. Then you go back, the clothes smell terrible, the washer and dryer smells terrible. Do not leave wet clothes in your washer or dryer. Look, you even got the baby looking in there going, "Where is my blanket?" Baby wants his blanket. You left it in the washing machine. Finally, number 7 is not cleaning your washing machine. Did you know you need to do that? Did you know you need to clean your washing machine? Your washing machine works hard to keep your clothes clean, and it needs you to help make sure it stays clean. Regularly cleaning your machine helps to remove detergent buildup, mildew, and bacteria. You can do this by running a hot water cycle with a cup of white vinegar or using a commercial washing machine cleaner. Once you're done cleaning it, just wipe it down really good. Your washing machine takes great care of you and your family, and you want to make sure you take good care of it. This can give you years of clean clothes, stretching your budget and the life of your washing machine. So, if you're making these common mistakes, let's change that. Now, please subscribe. I really do appreciate you. And stay tuned for more top tips. All right, stay safe. Take care. Bye.